Hey everybody, Ed Blakesley here, Binghamton, New York. I want to tell you about this product called Fuel Factor X. I've just recently tried this in my own vehicle. I have a 2008 4Runner. Even though it's 14 years old, this thing is cherry. It's somebody took really good care of it. I got it in November last year, 2021, and being a four-wheel drive, the gas mileage is terrible. So when I was introduced to Fuel Factor X, I thought, what the heck, give it a shot. Blew my socks off. This stuff, after 2 tanks of double dose with the Fuel Factor X, wow. Before using the Fuel Factor X, I compared the gas mileage to a full-size Chevy conversion I had a few years ago. This van was loaded, had everything in it, so it was kind of heavy. And I had a 350 in it with the 4-barrel carburetor, and you could watch the gas gauge go down even while it was idling, for crying out loud. But I double dosed 2 tanks with the Fuel Factor X in this 2008 4Runner, and it took me about 3 weeks, just under 3 weeks, to run all that gas through it, because I don't, just around town. Amazing. I'm telling you, you got to try this stuff, because it just, I don't have the, percentages or mileage or numbers, but when your gas gauge isn't moving like it did, it's almost, I would say it's pretty darn close to getting half again out of the mileage. Before, if I was getting 15 miles at a gallon, I'll be getting 20, 22. So it's something that you really got to try. You don't have to buy the high test gas at the pump. You can buy the regular, because this Fuel Factor X provides all those ingredients that you need for emissions, mileage, cleaning, lubrication, the whole shot. It combines, I think it's 8 different products into this thing. This stuff's been around for over 20 years, and I guess it was introduced mainly for the mining industry, and those guys are not going to put any garbage in their machinery. So it's good for diesel and gas. If you want to get a little more information, shoot me a message. There should be a link somewhere around this video. You got to try this stuff, I'm telling you, because gas prices are not going to go down anytime soon. That's without a doubt. They're going to stay or increase. So get the information you need to make a educated decision. Shoot me a message. Click the link below. I'll see you not at the gas station.